Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to secure perfect domain for outdoor business on your online store on Shopify. Easy and quick. So today we focus on the brand, on the domains. So the first thing here we have to do, you have to follow this setup guide. So you have first to add your first product. Okay. So as you see now, you can add the title, add the description. You can just describe what you want in your text, and it's gonna generate for you. Also here you can upload the media. You can customize the price and options. You can manage the inventory, the quantity, and the shipping. Now let's move on to the next section. To the next step, customize your online store. Choose the theme and add your logo, colors, and images to reflect your brand. So now you can just pick your favorite theme and customize it. Next step is name your store. So as you see, you can name something relate to your business, to the outdoor business. And here you have to add your store phone. Now let's move on to the next section. Next step, set your shipping rate. Choose where you ship and how much you charge, so your customers can see their shipping rates, their shipping costs at checkout. And the next step, the last step, place a test order. Make sure things are running smoothly by placing a test order from your own store. So after you fix this setup guide, you have to fix also these settings right here. So the first we have here the store details. So you can fix the profile, the billing information, the store currency, and the time zone and units of measurements. And at the end, save it. Now let's move on to the plan. So you can choose a plan. Now you can select the basic plan, or the Shopify, or advanced. All of them you have to pay $1 for first month. And let's see more ways to sell. So we have these two right here. You have to pay $1 for your first month, and the last one here you have to pay $2,300 for 3 years, I guess. So let's go back. Now let's move on to the billing. So you have to add the payment method for purchase and bills at Shopify. Add the payment method, enter your information here, the card number and expires, and the billing address, and the name and the address, and add the credit card. So that's it. Now let's move on to the users and the permissions. So permissions manage what users can see or do in your store. Here you can compare plans, select a subscription plan that includes additional stuff accounts. Now let's move on to the payments. So as you see, now you can choose a providers that enable you to accept payments method at a rate set by the third party. An additional fee will apply to new orders when you select a plan. You can choose a provider and contact provider from here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the checkout. So as you see now, you can manage the customer contact method. You can select what contact method customers use to checkout. Here you can manage the customer information, the full name, the company name, and the address line, and the shipping address. Here you can also manage the marketing options. Here you can add additional scripts, and at the end save it and move on to the next customer accounts. So here you can just manage your customer accounts. So you can manage domain, customize the theme, customize classic customer accounts in your online store theme. That's it. So today we focus on the domains. So how to secure perfect domain. So for outdoor business. So the first thing, you have to buy a new domain and enter here your domain. So you have to, just once you buy a new domain, you have to pay $15 for a year. So I didn't fix the billing, and I didn't enter my information on the credit card. So you have to go back and you have to enter the credit card. Okay. So after this, it's gonna work with you. Now let's move on to the customer events. So now customer events manage app and custom pixels that access customer events with enhanced privacy and security. You can add a custom pixel name, and add a pixel. So that's it. Now let's move on to the brand. So as you see, you can add a logo, default logo, a square logo. For example, default logo used for most common logo applications, the square logo used by some logical media channels. Here we have the colors, the primary, the secondary. Also you can add the cover image, key image that shows of your brand and profile page and apps. Short description of your business, often used in bios and listings, and the social links, Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest. So that's it. Let's move on now to the notifications. So as you see, you can manage the notifications, customer notifications, the staff notification, the fulfillment request notification. Also you can manage the custom data, add a custom piece of data to a specific part of your store. Also you can manage the languages, so you can add a language, so you can select your language, whatever you want. And here you can manage the customer events, you can manage the privacy settings, the cookie banner, the data sales opt-out page, and here you can manage the marketing settings. Here we have the poly size, so you can manage the settings of the poly size, the write in return and the refund policy. Here we have the privacy policy, the term of service, shipping policy, the contact information. So that's it. So after you fix this setup guide, and after you fix the settings, now you can start working on your editor store and customize it. And after this, you can launch your store and start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to secure perfect domain for outdoor business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.